Hello, my name is Joe. I'm with Global Systems United. I'm out here in the Phoenix desert behind me. Just a quick video to address a question. What is the difference between a supervisory signal and an alarm signal in a fire alarm system? In its most probably simplest terms, a supervisory is a non-urgent signal received by a fire alarm system. And an alarm would be a higher level that would most likely require first responders. That would be things maybe such as smoke detected from a smoke detector, a pull station pulled. These are good indications of an actual emergency or a fire. Supervisories would be important but not emergencies. For example, a duct detector maybe has a trouble, a loose wire, the cover's not put on correct. Maybe somebody's turned off the valve to the sprinkler system that extinguishes the fires. Maybe a battery is low in the fire alarm panel, or maybe power has been lost. These would be things that aren't emergencies, but yet they're still very important. Alarms would be important things such as a kitchen hood ANSL activated, a heat detector activated. These would be things that the fire department needs to respond to right away. And so that's pretty much the main difference between fire alarm supervisory signals and fire alarm alarm signals. Other applications might be in a gas detection system. If it's a low level, might indicate like a leak. That would be something that needs to be addressed as a supervisory, whereas a full-blown alarm of a gas dump may require first responders. And so hopefully that helps. Anyway, I appreciate you, and if you have any questions, just look up Global Systems United. You can also find us at www.globalsystemsunited.com. And as always, we thank you. Have a great day.